How to clear YouTube cache and data on Android phone. So if YouTube app took a lot of storage space on your device, or maybe you want to speed up your phone just by clearing cache and apps data, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Firstly, let's open up the settings. And here we need to go through the settings till we can see section apps. Now click on that. And after that, start scrolling down until you can find YouTube. Or if you have a lot of apps, then tap little search icon in the top right and manually find YouTube. Great. Now what we are going to do next is we need to scroll down until the usage section. And here we are interested in storage. Click on your storage and you will see information about the space used. So you will see amount of cache, data, total, and app. Now, to clear cache, just tap on the corresponding button on the right side of the screen and wait a few seconds till you will see that this section cache is now cleared. If you want to clear data as well to free up even more storage space and speed up your device, tap Clear Data and you should see this pop-up message that all the data will be deleted permanently. This includes files, settings, accounts, databases. So if you don't want to log in your account, then do not delete your data. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.